family lives out in a gated community, makes them believe in a magic community. Armed response signs under the orange tree, and beyond the razor wire you can see the glittering sea. Cold-eyed cameras watch every door. There's no public access to the beach or the shore. Private patrol cars, but that's a joke. It's just two guys napping and sipping on Diet Coke.